Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to show you how to select children in your selector. So how to only select child elements. And if we go to our code right here, what I'm going to do is actually get rid of this and I'm going to put the code and I'm going to put something, and what I want to do is for every span inside of the div, only immediate spans, I want to, I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to say dot CSS and I'm going to say color is red. Okay, so that's cool. And I need to now apply the selector. So to do this, you put div, which is the parent, greater than, and then the element, the child element. So this could be an ID, this could be a class, it could be any other sort of selector. Same with this. So this is just saying for all spans that are immediately within any div, apply this CSS color. So if I reload, we get everything as red. Okay, sorry, I didn't explain it properly. I made a little mistake. So let me put this here, and that will be black. So it's every spans that are within this, within a div. And as you can see, this is within a div as well. So we don't want to actually do that. So what we want to actually do, maybe if I change this to a p tag, that is no longer, if I reload, as you can see, this is no longer red span. Uber isn't, because it's within a p tag, immediately it's within a p tag, even though that's within a div. It needs to be a direct child of it, and it applies to this. So that's how you affect children. There's another thing that you can do where you just affect all children of a particular element. So what I'm going to say is all children of the div of a div. So you just have to specify the parent element, and that could be again a selector based on ID, class, first, ID, anything like that. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to say dot CSS. The CSS I'm going to modify is the font dash size. I'll do it to 20 pixels. Again, I have done it wrong. There we go. 20 pixels. Reload, see what we get. So this has applied it to every single child inside of it, and the reason it's applied it to this as well is because it's applied it to the paragraph tag, and that is the parent of this. Therefore, unless this has its own style, it will get applied to it as well. So that's how you apply any sort of, it doesn't have to be CSS code. That's how you do something to, or select any sort of children just based on the parent element. Or children, doesn't matter, it doesn't matter the type. But if you want to do it based on a child and then any immediate children, this is how you do it. So that's how you select children within jQuery. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.